Greetings, everybody. I hope that you guys are good and happy New Year, by the way. So yeah, today I just wanted to have a look at Euro USD, and in fact, I actually wanted to do a very quick video on why it is often said that we shouldn't be trading in December. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let me get straight into the chart. Right. So I'm sure you guys have heard this saying that it's quite risky to be trading in December, blah 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 blah, right? But as I say, I'm just gonna show you why it is quite often said that we should not be trading in December, right? So as I've said, guys, I've got the Euro USD chart open, and I am on the H4 chart. And if we can just zoom in, we can see that the market has been in a very strong uptrend, right, up until price got to that point, right? And we can see that in this block over here, price started to move sideways. Let me just actually zoom in a bit, right? And let's look at the actual dates. If you look at here, we can see that the market started to consolidate from, we could say, around the let's say 13th of December 2020, and we saw the market moving sideways up until, we could say, the 1st of January, and that's when we started to see some movement, right? So what was happening in this block? What was happening in this block is that the market maker was collecting orders, right? Because what actually happened was price got into this block over here, as I said, guys, and we saw the market from this point over here moving up, right? And then at this point pushing down, that point moving up, and so forth and so forth and so forth, right? And we can see that the market has been moving sideways for quite some time, right? As I said, from the let's check again, from the 13th of December all the way to the 1st of January 2023, right? So what was happening, guys? By the market creating this up and down movement, it's creating orders, right? Because a lot of people sold at this point, others bought at this point, thinking that the market would go up, right? At that level, some people sold again, right? At this point, some people bought again, putting their stop losses below here. That's what the buyers were doing, and the sellers were putting their stop losses at around this zone over here, right? So when the new year started, we saw price pushing down, right? This was a stop hunt, in my humble opinion, as there was a lot of money sitting here in the form of stop losses, right? So what's likely to happen is that the market will now attempt to grab the stop losses that are sitting at this point, as a lot of people were selling at these peaks over here, as you guys can see, right? So don't be surprised in the next couple of days or even hours if we see price head up to this level to, as I said, grab all of those stop losses that are at that point, and then we might potentially see it come to the range again. And then at this point, those who control the market will then have a look in terms of what's going on, right? They will evaluate, right? And from there, we will most likely see the market move up or down, right? But that's the reason why people say usually we shouldn't be trading in December, and that is because, as I said, guys, the market, and especially in Forex, moves in a sideways manner to collect orders, right? The buyers enter at the bottoms, right, and place their stop losses just below, and the sellers enter at the tops, right, and placing their stop losses just above, right? And as I said, we saw price breaking to the downside rather, to grab all of those stop losses that are sitting here, and we have some stop losses that are sitting at this point as well, and we are likely to see the market pushing further up to grab all of those stop losses, right? I hope what I've explained makes sense. If you have any further questions, just let me know in the comment section, and peace out, guys.